guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. Before I get started, a quick reminder to all our viewers to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. For now, let's get started with the show with the top headlines of the day. Taimur Ali Khan tries his hands at pottery. Jacqueline Fernandez shares stunning black and white pictures from a new photo shoot. Siddharth and Shehnaz's Shona Shona is a huge hit with fans. Sana Khan shares stunning pictures from her wedding. Rakul, Sonakshi and Samantha set temperatures soaring in the Maldives.
अभी इतना ठीक है ना? नहीं, थोड़ा और बढ़ा करेंगे। From नीचे press and
We can't handle the cute quotient of Kareena's latest posts where she has shared pictures and video of herself and Taimur enjoying some pottery lessons in Dharamshala.
press and
While Saif and Arjun took some time off during Diwali to spend time with little Taimur and their lady loves, it looks like Taimur and Kareena spent quality time together as well and tried their hand at learning pottery.
नहीं, थोड़ा और बढ़ा करेंगे। From नीचे
Kareena and son Taimur Ali Khan were holidaying in the scenic hill station recently when they joined Saif Ali Khan, who is filming for Bhoot Police there. Bhoot Police also stars Arjun Kapoor, जिनकी गर्लफ्रेंड मलाइका अरोरा खान करीना कपूर की बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स में से एक है. The couple joined Kareena, Saif and Taimur and the group celebrated Diwali together while soaking in the great weather and sunshine in the hills. Kareena, who is expecting her second child early next year, enjoyed a nice bonding session with little Taimur and shared some adorable pictures and a video जहां दोनों एक साथ posters wheel पे clay को mold कर रही हैं. And Kareena is lovingly explaining to Taimur on how to move his hand.
press and
तैमूर भी अपनी मॉम के साथ पॉटरी करते हुए बहुत खुश लग रहे हैं एंड लाइक अ टिपिकल किड ही सीम्स एक्साइटेड कि उनके हाथों में मिट्टी लगी हुई है. He seems to be showing off his not so clean hands to someone while mommy Kareena continues working on her small pot. The mother-son duo looked absolutely adorable in cozy winter clothes, and while Taimur was in a grey hoodie and blue jeans, mommy Kareena looked pretty in a red and black striped sweater, black tights and had hair pulled up in a no-fuss high bun. Kareena, who seems to have really enjoyed this experience with Taimur, wrote a pyar bhara caption which said, "Pot, pot, pottery with the little man Dharamkot studio. Such brilliant stuff." Kareena seems to be missing the nice break she had at Dharamshala that included long nature walks, relaxing in cozy cafes, and enjoying warm bonfires with family and close friends. Before leaving for Dharamshala, Bebo ने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था, Saif is shooting in Dharamshala for a film and I have never been there. So Taimur and I will join him there. We are actually looking forward to setting out. It will be great to travel to the mountains and spend time in the open air and sunshine. It's been a year where we had to be at home for such a long duration. It seems like you had a great break, Kareena. और इन adorable pictures और वीडियो को देखकर हमारे weekday blues दूर हो गए हैं.
press and
जैकलिन फर्नांडिस की नई फोटोज ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट है, but they have left the internet red hot with their sensuous vibe. जैकलिन की तरह ही कियारा आडवाणी, आलिया भट्ट, दिशा पाटनी एंड बिपाशा बासु ने भी इससे पहले बोल्ड फोटोशूट्स करवाए हैं। Jacqueline Fernandez is hot and she knows it. The actor often shares her workout pictures and videos, loves to flaunt her perfect 10 figure and stunning good looks in sensuous and often daring photo shoots. Now recently the actor had posted a pair of trousers and used a bouquet of flowers instead of a shirt in a series of pictures that went instantly viral. Lekin it looks like Jacqueline wanted to top her own topless look with these new black and white photos. Jacqueline, who is all set to star in 3 big-ticket films and has already started filming for Bhoot Police in Dharamshala with Saif Ali Khan, Arjun Kapoor and Yami Gautam, shared some sensational new photos of herself on her social media page. In these red, hot black and white pictures, Jacqueline is seemingly wearing little else but a black cloth that is wrapped in such a way that it leaves little to the imagination. The actor has amped up the dramatic mood of the photos with heavy eye makeup, loose hair and glossy lips that add oodles of oomph and make her look super sexy. Jackie is seen posing against a sofa in the background and has no jewelry or accessories on, keeping this look both simple and simply sensuous. It's not clear whether this photo shoot was for a magazine cover or just for her fans. But either way, Jackie के ये photos काफी viral हो रहे हैं. While she is winning the photo shoot game, the actor is also super busy with 3 upcoming films. She is already filming for Bhoot Police and recently shared pictures of her ultra glam avatar in the movie on her social media handle. Jacqueline posted some fun vanity van pictures featuring her hair and makeup artists. In the pictures, Jackie is seen wearing a beret and looks like she is bringing France to the hills of India with her European-looking outfit. Jacqueline captioned her photos, "Bonjour from Dharamshala." Bhoot Police के बाद Jacqueline is all set to work in the Kick sequel opposite Salman Khan and in Circus, which stars Ranveer Singh and is being directed by Rohit Shetty. While she has worked with Salman and Saif before, this is the first time Jackie will be working with Ranveer and Rohit Shetty, and the actor is very excited about having so many big-budget films in the pipeline. Speaking to a newspaper, Jacqueline said, "I am looking forward to working on such exciting projects. The genres of each of the films are very different from each other and something I wanted to tick off my bucket list. The characters in my name have very different demands, so it's going to be super thrilling." When asked if 3 back-to-back films will leave her with no time to breathe, she responded by saying that she has no complaints about being busy. "I will have no time to unwind and switch from one character to another. But I am not complaining, as I will be in a happy place with back-to-back films lined up." We are happy for you too, Jackie, and we can't wait to see you on screen again soon.
शहनाज जी बहुत क्यूट लग रहे हो।
मैं हूँ ही क्यूट, सबको पंप दो।
साथ में आ जाओ ना, साथ में आ जाओ ना सर, हाथ पकड़ लो एक दूसरे का।
क्यों हाथ क्यों पकड़?
सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला एंड शहनाज गिल का नया म्यूजिक वीडियो शोना शोना आज रिलीज हुआ। And the highly anticipated song has become hugely popular in just a few hours. The song, which is composed and sung by Tony Kakkar and Neha Kakkar, has Siddharth and Shehnaz romancing each other in all the bright colors of love. Siddharth and Shehnaz met each other while participating together on a reality show, and it was quite clear that there were sparks flying thick and fast between the two. There have been constant rumors and speculations about the two being in a relationship, and And their fans even have a hashtag for them, Sidnas. While Shehnaz has reportedly spoken about her feelings for Siddharth before, Siddharth ने कभी अपने रिलेशनशिप स्टेटस के बारे में बात नहीं की है और ना ही शहनाज के साथ उनकी रिलेशनशिप को कंफर्म किया है। But with the two working together yet again and even traveling together for shoot this time, it's becoming more and more clear कि शायद ये दोनों ऑफ स्क्रीन भी एक दूसरे के शोना है। The couple has been teasing the release of their new music video for the last couple of days and had shared a launch date and then another poster announcing the time at which the video will be launched.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
Shona Shona is a bright, youthful, romantic song that sees Siddharth and Shehnaz romance each other against the backdrop of bright lights and colors.
शुक्ला जी, शहनाज जी, साथ में आ जाओ ना, साथ में आ जाओ ना सर, हाथ पकड़ लो एक दूसरे का।
क्यों हाथ क्यों पकड़?
The couple had travelled together to Punjab to shoot for the song, and both Siddharth and Shehnaz had shared some behind-the-scenes pictures and videos of their experience of shooting there. The song, which has been composed and sung by the melodious Kakkar siblings Neha and Tony, is perfectly brought to life by the ever-romantic Sidnaz.
शहनाज जी, बहुत क्यूट लग रहे हो।
मैं हूँ ही क्यूट, सबको पंप दो।
क्या बात है, सिद्धार्थ सर गेट खोल ले।
We are sure that all the real-life Shonas are going to love this romantic track and be humming it all the time.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
सुर्ख लाल जोड़े में सच कर सना खान अपने वालिमा में बेहद खूबसूरत लग रही थी। The actor, who recently announced her wedding, shared some stunning pictures of herself in her stunning red and gold bridal outfit. It was in October this year that Sana Khan announced she was quitting her career as an actor and model. Sana ने एक spiritual path चुना है and has dedicated to pursue a keen interest in religious studies. The actor has also made a new beginning in her personal life by announcing her wedding a few days ago and sharing pictures of herself with her husband. सना की शादी का जोड़ा एक ट्रेडिशनल व्हाइट गाउन था, लेकिन अपने वालिमा के फंक्शन में उन्होंने एक खूबसूरत रेड लहंगा चूज किया that made her look like a really stunning bride. The walima is a function that is celebrated after the wedding, and Sana looked lovely as a blushing bride, glowing with love and happiness. Sana's custom-made red lehenga had hand-embroidered motifs, and the beautiful bride added lovely traditional gold and kundan jewelry that only added to her bridal beauty. Like most Indian brides, she accentuated her eyes with a dramatic smoky eye makeup and chose a nude lipstick and long lashes to complete her look. सना ने अपने इस दुल्हन के लाल जोड़े में कई फोटो शेयर किए, कभी पलके झुका के तो कभी अपना घूंघट संभालते हुए। Sana seems to be enjoying the moments as a new bride, and we are happy to see her so happy to make this auspicious new beginning in her life. We wish Sana and her husband a very happy married life. Farhan Akhtar and Shibani Dandekar, Rakulpreet Singh, Sonakshi Sinha and South star Samantha Akineni are just some of the many celebrities who have jetted to the Maldives to enjoy a post-lockdown holiday. After spending many times at home during the lockdown and resuming work on their films, it seems like film celebrities are also enjoying a much-needed holiday at the exotic island of Maldives. Maldives के sun-kissed beaches और pristine blue waters मूवी सेलिब्रिटीज को अपनी ओर खींच रहे हैं. Farhan Akhtar and Shibani Dandekar are back in Mumbai after a lovely holiday by the beach where Farhan's daughter Akira also joined them. But it looks like Shibani is still missing the gorgeous views of Maldives. Shibani shared a throwback picture of herself and Farhan in scuba diving gear. The couple is holding each other and posing for the camera, and Shibani captioned the picture, "My buddy on land and under the sea." Also in the pool, because that's where we are in this picture. Joining many of her Bollywood colleagues is Sonakshi Sinha, who also seems to have landed at the Maldives. The actor shared stunning pictures of herself in a black monokini and loose white shirt, calling herself an island girl. Sonakshi seems to be staying in a gorgeous cottage by the sea with lots of palm trees in the background, which are giving us major holiday vibes. Rakulpreet Singh is also in the Maldives, and the actor, who is enjoying some quality time with her family, shared another stunning picture of herself in a two-piece swimsuit as she enjoyed a lazy morning napping in a hammock by the Arabian Sea. Rakul also seems to have enjoyed some deep-sea diving and shared a picture of herself with scuba diving gear, enjoying the beauty of the ocean. While half of Bollywood seems to be in Bollywood, Southern star Samantha Akineni has also been sharing envious pictures of her holiday in the Maldives with husband Naga Chaitanya. The actor recently shared a picture of herself in a white swimsuit as she enjoyed a bubble bath in her bathtub. Samantha is making an adorable expression for the selfie, and it looks like the pretty star is enjoying her vacation to the fullest. Well, we can't help but be envious of these celebs, and here's hoping the rest of us can enjoy a vacation soon too. Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break, but stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while. In the most recent episode of the show, the controversial Kavita Kaushik was asked by the invisible owner of the house to punish contestants for breaking the rules of the house. The reality show hosted by Salman Khan is witnessing high drama almost every day. Kabhi nepotism ke accusations, to kabhi assault ke charges. Screaming matches and wild conspiracy theories have all been a part of this season of the show that sees celebrities locked into a home with no connection to the outside world. Soon enough, BFFs Amy Goni and Jasmine Bhasin started protesting against Kavita क्योंकि उन्हें लगता है कि वो बेवजह Ali को टारगेट कर रही है. In a shocking incident, Ali even kicked a bin that hurt Kavita. लेकिन जब रुबीना ने कविता की मदद करने की कोशिश की तो कविता ने सारा गुस्सा बेचारी रुबीना पर निकाल दिया। अपनी बीवी के साथ ये बिहेवियर देखकर अभिनव शुक्ला भी अपसेट हो गए। Abhinav, who was angry with Kavita about ruining their friendship, retaliated by sitting on the upturned bin. उनके इस बिहेवियर को पनिश करने के लिए the invisible controller of the house asked him to hand over all his belongings and reprimanded him for disrupting the task. लेकिन अभिनव के गुस्से का कोई ठिकाना नहीं है and he goes ahead to retaliate against Kavita's captaincy with his wife Rubina. कविता के खिलाफ अपना प्रोटेस्ट जारी रखते हुए अभिनव refused to do any of his duties and slept through the day. He also got into another war of words with Kavita and said to her, "You are actually looking like a mad woman." Well, looks like the scheming and screaming will continue on this show and the audiences will be completely entertained. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now, promising to be back tomorrow. But you guys, stay home, stay safe.